Are you ready to save at dispensaries in Arizona by getting your medical marijuana card? With Elevate Holistics, it's fast, easy, and pays for itself in savings. Let's walk through how to get yours. You'll need a qualifying condition recognized by the state, things like chronic pain, PTSD, cancer, glaucoma, and more. Not sure if you qualify? Elevate Holistics will help you find out in minutes. We have a 99% approval rate. Book a same-day telehealth appointment with one of our licensed Arizona doctors, all from your couch or wherever. No waiting rooms, no hassle. Once your doctor signs off, submit your application to the Arizona Department of Health Services. With Elevate, you're getting one of the best priced online doctors in Arizona with the fastest turnaround times. We do everything, and we even tell you how to pay the state fee, so you're never left questioning next steps. Most approvals only take a few days. You'll get your card electronically, and from that moment, you can shop at any licensed dispensary in Arizona. As an Arizona patient, you skip the 16% excise tax recreational buyers pay. If you're spending $200 a month at the dispensary, your card pays for itself in 2.5 months. Plus, you get higher purchase limits, up to 2.5 ounces every 2 weeks. That's peace of mind with fewer trips to the dispensary. Already have your Arizona medical marijuana card? Don't forget to renew every 2 years, and renewing is simple with Elevate Holistics. Meet with a licensed doctor online, renew from home, and keep your benefits rolling. We'll remind you before it's due so you'll never miss out on your medicine or your tax savings. Stop overpaying for cannabis. Book your telehealth appointment with Elevate Holistics today and get your Arizona medical marijuana card in no time. Thank you for letting Elevate be a part of your journey.